Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Aesthetics with me. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my coloring because it has been by far the most requested video ever that I have ever received. So before we get started, make sure you like my channel, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I just want to say thank you so much for over 500 subscribers, and this is insane to me. And also thank you so much for over 40,000 views on my first video ever. I can't thank you guys enough. So let's get started. So the apps I use are these three wonderful apps. The first app is Ultralight. I use this a lot on my channel. Next is Precool. It looks like this, and this is how you spell it. Next is So Incredibly Sorry. Next is Color Tone, and Color Tone. So the names will be on the screen. The first thing you want to do is you want to go on Ultralight, select your video or your photo, but I'm just going to do video. Then you want to go onto this little bar that says edit. It's at the very bottom. Then go on to this triangle looking thing. It's literally like a triangle icon, and it's with all of these little icons. So go to the triangle, then the clarity, turn it up all the way to 10. Then the second one, which is sharpen, turn it all the way down. Then the third one, which is emphasize, turn it like a little bit down. Okay, and then you want to go on to this little, it's like a checkered type of thingy-majiggy. So go on that. Click on the second one, the second box, and then use the scrolling bar thingy-majiggy and turn it down, like really low down. Then you want to go on to this plus button. It's literally like the second one. And you want to move the little circle about to where mine is. About to where mine is. Or you can just decide wherever you want it, but I just like it about here. Then you want to click onto the word down here, presets. It's along with all these other ones. Presets, and it should look like create preset. So you're gonna click that. So this, next time you want to do this exact same coloring, you won't have to redo everything. It's just gonna be there. So create preset, save preset as. You can do my fave 101 or something like that, then press save. So now it's saved. So now if I refresh the app, go back onto Ultralight, I can just choose a different video, click on the word presets, and select my fave 101. Then save, and it will be saved to your camera roll. It takes kind of a long time to get saved, but that's fine. So after it's saved, so now you want to go into the app Precool. Okay, so as I was saying, next you want to go onto Precool. And in the bottom, there is this little tiny, the most tiniest thing ever. And you want to click that and select the video we just edited in Ultralight. Next, on the sides, there are a bunch of buttons. You want to click on the one that says adjust. So click on that. The first start so it fast. Then you want to skip one, turn it up until it says 50. Scroll down onto this triangle looking thing once again, because triangles are our favorites. Triangle thingy, turn it up until it says 25. I want to go into this colorful circle looking thingy majiggy, turn it up to start literally just like a white dot. And then you want to turn it up. It's free. I do 10 usually. Then you want to click on this little arrow at the, oh my god, very top corner. And it's going to export your video to your camera roll. There are a lot of steps, but after you learn how to do this, it'll be very easy for you. Then you want to click save video. Then you want to go onto the app color tone. And you want to click on the oopsies. You want to click, it will look like this, but just without all these videos. Those are the ones I've edited so far. But, oopsies. But it should say photo and video at the top. So you want to click whichever one applies to you. So I'm doing video. Choose the video or two. But choose the video. It should have a red box. Then click on the top right corner. It says import. So just want to click import. Select the video until it has a, this like blue box around it. Then at the bottom, it says edit with a C on top. So you want to go into filters.
Throw it back. Start around. Throw it back.
And scroll down until you see green. Okay. This is the filter I use. It's like Kogi, something like that. And it gives it this cool effect. And then you once again want to click export and just save it to your camera. So exporting, then go into your camera roll. Oh wow, magical, it's right there. Now you can do whatever you want with the video. Yeah, but I hope my examples were good or something like that. But thank you so much for watching. Peace out.